Hi everyone, welcome to Block 3. First of all, let's review some of the sounds and the words that we made in Block 1 and 2. So let's review these sounds right here. And then we're going to make and read some words with just these sounds. Okay, you ready? Let's do this together. A, L, M, S, T, P, F, I, W, H, S. Very good. Now I'm going to say a sound. You point to that letter that makes that sound. And then I'll show you which one it is and see if you're right. Okay, you ready? Point to the letter that makes the sound W. W. Did you point to this letter? Good job. How about point to the letter that makes the sound M. M. Did you point to this letter? Good. How about A? A. Did you point to this letter? Good for you. How about H? H. Did you point to this letter? Good. Let's try one more. How about T? T. Did you point to this letter? Good for you. Now let's make some words with these. First of all, let's bring down our A and our T. And we have at. Now let's see, how about if we add S? Now what do we have? Sat. Very good. How about, we'll bring back our S, bring down our M sound. And now what do we have? Mat. Very good. Let's bring up our M and bring down our P. And now we have pat. Very good. And now we'll bring up that, bring down our H. And we have hat. Good job. Now let's change our ending. First of all, we'll bring up our H. And let's try this sound. Now what do we have? Am. Very good. So let's take a new line later sound, bring it down, and we have Pam. Very good. And let's change our P to S. And we have Sam. Very good. Now let's take our F sound, and we have fam. Good job. Now how about if we change our vowel sound to, now what do we have? Fim. Good job. And if we take our, bring down our P sound, now what do we have? Pim. Very good. Now how about if we take down our T and we have Tim. Good job. And how about we'll do one more. We'll move our T and bring down our him. Good job. Now let's change this to and we have whim. Very good. Now we can change it to M, sim. Good job. How about if we take our M sound away, add a T sound, and now what do we have? S, it, sit. Very good. And if we change this to, now we have it, fit. Very good. Now let's change our F to, and we have M, it, mit. Very good. Let's try one more. We'll bring down our W, and now we have wit, wit. Very good. Now if we take our T sound and bring down our F, now we have W, if, whiff. And if we take our W and bring down, let's bring down our S, and we have sif, sif. How about if we take our and we have if, hif. Very good. Now what if we change our f and bring down our s? Now what do we have? Hiss, is, hiss, hiss. Very good. And if we change our to M, we have M, is, miss. And how about, we'll try one more. If we change our M to, whoop, and we have sis, sis, sis. Very good. Now what if we change our vowel out? So instead of I, we have, whoops, sass, sass, sass. Now what if we change our s and put sap, sap. Let's try one more of these. We'll change out our s and do l, ap, lap. Very good. Good reading.